The third eye in the title of my lecture refers to this machine, which is ultrasound scan machine. I'm greatly honored to be given this rare privilege to present the 79th inaugural lecture of my great alma mater. It may interest the audience to note that the first inaugural lecture from the College of Medical Sciences was delivered in 1980 by Sen Gupta JK, entitled Health, Nutrition, and Population in Human Settlements. The first inaugural lecture delivered from my department was in 1982 by Lisa Luigi, entitled Prolonged Labor, Causes, Customs, and Consequences. This lecture is the second from my department. Mr. Vice Chancellor, the first inaugural lecture from my department was delivered 39 years ago when I was in primary 5 in faraway Mamila Plateau. How would I have envisaged that close to 4 decades, I will be the one who will deliver the second inaugural lecture from my department?